Hi, this is the second video about my first mobile game, 5 Elements. Today I will tell you mainly about the visual improvements of the game. In the last video I created a model for our character. As you can see, she doesn't look too good, so the first thing I decided to do was to remake it. Since I don't have too much experience in using Blender, and especially in character creation, I decided to look at some YouTube guides. I found a great channel about making anime characters, but it was in Japanese. However, that didn't stop me, so I learned a lot of information for myself. I ended up with this model. After importing the model into Unity, I encountered a problem with the high renderer. The thing is that in order to improve performance, Unity by default only renders the other side of the polygons. Fortunately for me, it was pretty easy to fix. The next thing I decided to do was to improve the obstacles room. I started with the rooms with the ladders. The first thing I had to do was to simulate the objects from which the ladders would actually come out. Here is what I have done. But the ladders in the form of red cubes didn't really excite me, so taking advantage of my new knowledge of shaders, I decided to fix it. It looks better. After that, I decided to improve the room with a moving enemy. I decided to model a drone for his role. By adding him to Unity, I gave him the ability to move forward, and also made an animation of moving up and down. For the room with the static obstacle, I decided to create a strip with spikes, and for them I added an animation of movement up and down. In the room with the wall, as you can guess, I changed the wall. Now it looks like a device that creates an energy wall. I also want to change the effects of the air ability that lifts the enemy. To do this, I create an ability model and a new shader. This is what I ended up with. Up to this point, I had the ability to lift a character into the air, but didn't have the proper animation. Now he has it. And the last thing I did was to change the cube models to crystals. This is what the game looks like now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. You can also write a comment about what you think of the game. Bye.